All right, so today we're going to talk about doors and windows. The first thing I wanted to do is create a door. So to create a door, we're going to do, let's see, I'm going to pick out this one right here. We're going to need 2 vertical lines. And then 1 horizontal line. Okay. Then what we're going to do is to erase the bottom part of my door. And I'm going to take the furthest point away from my vanishing point, which is this one, and I'm going to connect that to the vanishing point. This is going to show depth in my picture. So again, 2 vertical lines, 1 horizontal line, and then the furthest point away connects to the vanishing point. The same thing happens when we do windows. When we do windows on the front of an object, I'm going to have 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines, and then the furthest point away from my vanishing point, I'm going to connect to my vanishing point, just like so. So that is a front door and a front window. The next thing that we're going to cover are side windows and side doors. So in order for us to do a side door, I'm going to do 2 vertical lines, and then here's the tricky part. I'm going to connect the top of my door to the vanishing point. So the top of my door is going to connect to my vanishing point. I'm going to erase any kind of excess lines that I have going on. And then I'm going to erase the bottom part of my door because I don't need it anymore. And then to show depth, we are actually going to take our triangle and we're going to make a horizontal line right here to show depth. Now for windows. For a window on the side, I'm going to do 2 vertical lines, 2 lines connecting to the vanishing point for the top and bottom of my window. Erase the excess lines. And then I'm going to take my triangle and make a depth line up here at the top. Now, for doors and windows, on the bottom of my horizon line is the same way. So at this point in time, if you get it, you can stop listening to the recording, or if you'd like to see it again, I'll start over. So a door on the front of my box is the same way I did the top. So I'm going to do 2 vertical lines, 1 horizontal line. I'm going to erase the bottom part of it. And then the furthest point away, which is this one, I'm going to connect to my vanishing point. Same thing with front windows. I'm going to take 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines, and then the furthest point away, which is this one, is going to be connected to the vanishing point. Okay. Then last but not least, again, if I have something on the side, I'm going to move up here so you can see it a little bit better, but 2 vertical lines. For the top part of my door, when it's on the side, I need a line going to the vanishing point. And an easy way to tell is if you look at the top of this door and the top of my shape, they're going to be parallel to each other. I can erase the bottom part of my door. And then to show depth on this box, I can simply make a horizontal line to show depth. Okay. Same thing with windows on the side. I'm going to do it up here so you can see. 2 vertical lines, 2 lines connecting to the vanishing point. And then 1 horizontal line to show depth. With this one, I'm going to show depth up here so I can see the top part. But you want to show depth. That's it.